I'm Angel, and this is Healthful Choices. I am on a mission to lose 80 pounds. And today we're walking in the Morris Reserve. The other day. That was really an accomplishment. Like I said in an earlier video, it wasn't really what I thought it would be. It was fine. It just wasn't what I thought it would be. I'm done and I'm glad. And I've moved on to another book. This book is on the history of Antarctica. I'm excited because it sort of feeds into the next chapter of my life. I'm reading it digitally on the Kindle, which I think is interesting because I can highlight I read it on the phone, the Kindle app on the phone. So that's fun because I don't highlight or underline or write in books at all. I don't do that. That's just not what I do. So this is fun, being able to highlight and take notes. I can't really tell how many pages I'm reading because it is on the app. So I just read for an hour because I figure I can read about 15 pages an hour, probably more because it's not a very inaccessible book. It's very accessible. So I'm probably doing pretty good. Yeah, so an hour, and then I take my notes and highlight, and it's good. It's going really well so far. Oh, it's got a little bit of give to it, doesn't it? No, thank you. Oh. Oh boy. I'm a wild child. Mm-hmm. Challenge is going pretty well, I think. One of the nice things is that the spousal unit and I have been going for walks in the evening together a couple times a week. Yeah? Mm-hmm. And that's been nice, really nice. We just stay in our neighborhood. We don't go too far away, but just a little stroll around the block. Finished all of my medical appointments for my Antarctica pre-employment package. That was fun. I was able to fax it to them. Yes, fax. I don't own a fax machine, so I had to go to an office supply store, and it was 23 pages all said and done. It was like $40 to fax it. I thought priority mail was expensive. Faxing is expensive. Oh, we're on a hill. Let's see. Hill. Spousal unit. Hill. I think that's all the updates I have for you this week. Everything's going good with 75 hard. Everything's going awesome with the steps challenge. Still plugging away on going to Antarctica. Yeah. We're heading back to the car now, which means we're going downhill. The best part. I hope that you're having a great day and that you will have a successful week going forward. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. We got coffee, garlic, and blackberries. Yum!